Hello, Team TFT. Welcome back to episode 100 of the Daily Market Outlook video, and obviously the last Outlook video for this week. Firstly, I'd like to say thank you for all the guys that have supported and watched the videos on the way through to obviously 100. It's been a pleasure bringing the videos to you guys, and looking forward to the next 100 moving forward. But anyway, back to business. We're going to look at the DXY, the Euro USD, and the GBP USD pairs today. Firstly, we'll jump over here to the economic calendar and open it up first and come down here. We can see we've got a bit of GBP news coming at 9 o'clock tonight and a little bit of USD news with Fed Chair Jerome Powell testifying again at the start, early-ish of the New York session. So just a few things to be a little bit wary of there, and obviously bang on the start of the New York session today, we have unemployment claims coming out as well. Okay, so we can see here, we've obviously had this 15-minute retrace coming back up here. We've come up, retested 50%, and then had a bit of a knockback, came back, retested 50%, and then dropped from there yesterday. So basically since then, we have come down, and let's just check this. We have set a new low here. From this point, we have set a new low. So basically, at the moment, we are waiting to see what we would expect for today. After such an aggressive move down, it's probably expected that we may see a slight retrace back up before going low again. So basically what we would do is we would take our fib and move it down to the low here, the high here of the impulse, and set it to the low of the impulse here, and basically just waiting for a retrace, probably up around that 50% range, I would assume, because there's nothing else much unless it comes up to fill a bit of this imbalance. The next area of interest would be obviously right up in here, which is quite a ways, but it could definitely retrace back up to there. But probably today, definitely looking for a bit of a retrace, or we could see a continuation down further. So basically, if we're going to see a continuation, I would expect probably a push down, retrace into the middle, and then going from there. Or we would see a push up and then a sell off from there if we are going to continue for today. But again, just be wary and check. Obviously, we want to be seeing, would be preferable to see a push down, breaking low side structure before going short. But obviously overall structure here is short. So any short trades that appear are definitely good to go. Euro USD, obviously very long at the moment. And we can see here that same thing as the Dixie, we've had massive big impulse yesterday. We've come all the way up here, and now basically we're just sort of sitting here waiting for, are we going to see a retrace back down towards this area here, or are we going to see a retrace further down into this area here, or are we just going to see a trend continuation from here, which would result in a break and a retest going long, or whether we see a break to the low side and go long from there. So there's a couple of different variables here. I'm not a big fan of trading when the market's like had a big extension like this, because obviously, you know, there is a bigger probability that we could see a retrace from these areas. So yeah, it's just a kind of a bit of a wait, and unfortunately it's a bit of a wait and see scenario here for me. Wait for the price action to give us a little bit more of a telling as to what's going on. GBP. So GBP, we did see a pull down lower, and we did actually come down and touch the 702, which was the high of that previous impulse. Had a retrace, pull back up. We've come back down, found support at that previous high there, through there. Come back down, found support there, and now we've been knocked away. So basically looking for today, we are looking for longs at this point. Well, 15-minute is still bearish. Here we can see here we haven't taken out this high, So we've come set a low, set a high, and then came down and set a lower low, but we have still failed to set a higher high unless that line we have just wicked above, just gone above that high. So we have very, very weakly broken structure through there. So we can assume now that we are going to be going long. So whether we see just a continuation long from here, or whether we see a bit of a pullback down and then a long from here is to be determined. But we'll just wait and see, wait for the prices to get down into these areas that we would be looking for to go long from if we do see a retrace, and obviously waiting for that lower time frame structure to give us our confirmations for going long. Righto, guys, thank you again for jumping on, and thank you again for all the support so far. It's really appreciated, and I look forward to, and next week I'm away on holidays with my family for the week, so I won't be doing any daily market outlook videos next week, unfortunately, but as of the following week, we will be back on track as usual. Thank you very much, guys, for all your support, and I will catch you again when I get back from holidays. Thank you. Thanks for watching another daily market outlook video. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. Also, guys, we are the largest Tradesmen Forex group tailored to helping hundreds of tradesmen get their time back through trading. If you want access to structured education, 18 live sessions across 7 days a week, mental health and mindset support from a qualified psychologist, and access to multiple different trading strategies from 10 different mentors, then jump over to our website at www.teamtft.co.uk. Please remember, this is not financial advice, and you should not trade based on anything I have said in this video. This is just my own opinion and nothing more. And remember, manage your risk, stick to your plan, and secure those profits. Have a ripper day.